Hey, this is Joe here at Best Trailers. Here today I'm going to talk to you about whether you want to go with an aluminum horse trailer or steel horse trailers and some of the benefits of each. Now aluminum, of course, is going to be a little bit lighter. Steel trailers will be a little bit heavier, but you're going to get a big difference in price. That's where you're going to notice the most difference. Steel trailers, that's a 4-horse there, is about half the price of this 3-horse aluminum steel trailer. Main reason to go with steel over aluminum would be the price. Not a whole lot of other options, or if you're just not going to use it very often, you use it for a couple years and then get rid of it. The aluminum trailers, however, like I said, they're going to be a lot lighter, so they're going to be a lot easier to tow on your vehicles, a lot less stress on them. Being aluminum too, they're also a lot more resistant to the animal feces, the urine, any of the animals that pee in there. Aluminum is a lot more corrosive resistant than the steel trailers with the wood floors. Typically, aluminum trailers are aluminum frames, aluminum floors, and that's, like I said, holds up a lot better to that corrosion. Now the lightweight, easy for the pull. The aluminum trailers are gonna last you a lot longer than the steel trailers. Or the steel trailers, again, a lot cheaper, about half the price. But if you're only gonna use it a year or two, get rid of it, that'd be a perfect bet. We've got a lot of trailers here for you. Come see us today, 478-654-5350. Best Trailers in Supply. We're in Byron, Georgia.